So now that the experiment is over, we have step 5, which is observe and record. So we're gonna observe the experiment. Like, this is sort of what I told you in the last video. We're going to watch and see what happens. So what is happening to the soda? You guys saw what happened. It sprouted up. It exploded. What happened to the Mentos? Well, they like fizzed up and they just mixed with the soda. So the carbon dioxide and the Mentos and the soda mixed together, and it was too much pressure, which caused it to go right outside. There wasn't enough room for both of them. Once they combined together, it just needed to expand, and that caused it to shoot up. Did they mix well? Clearly not. It kind of caused an eruption. Was there a reaction? Yeah. So you're just gonna write down like what you saw. Maybe you could write down what you heard, anything. You can write down, do you think they mixed well? I mean, hey, in your opinion, if they mixed well, they mixed well, but you just have to write what you saw. Because, I mean, if you say it mixed well, some people might think, oh, there was no reaction. So you have to write, it mixed well, comma, but there was a little bit of an explosion. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it's not going to be too difficult to do. And then the fun part, you get to find out, was your hypothesis right? There's not really any consequence if it was wrong. It's just really fun to see if you were right. And it's definitely, when you start the experiment, if you know what's going to happen, definitely don't share it with your other classmates. Let them find out what's going to happen. So what you're going to do is you're just going to write down in your notebooks what happened, what the sound was, how it mixed, just everything you saw and heard, everything you learned during the experiment. I just want you to write down everything that you learned, and we'll go over it.